Welcome to the Mission 3 mini lesson, guys. In the Mission 3 mini lesson, we're going to see that we're going to be combining what we've learned in Mission 1 and Mission 2. Mission 1, we saw that we need to use inverse operations to remove all subtraction and addition. And in Mission 2, we used inverse operations to remove all division and multiplication. Well, in Mission 3, we're going to put those two steps together. So it's important that we remember to remove the subtraction and addition before the division and multiplication. So if we have an equation such as 7x minus 4 equals 59, we have two options. We have 7 times x for multiplication and subtracting 4. What we need to get rid of first, when we look at those, multiplication or subtraction, we need to remove the subtraction first. So we're going to add 4, but we're going to make sure we do that to both sides. And when we do that, that's going to remove the subtracting 4 from the left-hand side. And we'll be left with 7x on the left-hand side and 59 plus 4, which is 63. So we first did a step that was similar to Mission 1. And now we have an equation, 7x equals 63. That's very much like Mission 2. So we need to now do the inverse of 7 multiplied by x, and the inverse of that is dividing by 7, of course doing that to both sides. We can cancel out the 7 over 7, and we'll have just x left over, and that'll be equal to 63 divided by 7, which is 9. So in this case, our answer is 9. If we went back and substituted that in and put in 9 for x, we'd get 7x, or 7 times 9, which is 63. And when we subtract 4, 63 minus 4 is 59. Let's see one more example of that. 4y plus 2 equals negative 6. Again, we need to ask ourselves, is it the multiplication, 4 times y, or the addition, plus 2, that we need to remove first? Normal order of operations, we do multiplication before addition, but since it's inverse, we're going to do that in the reverse order. And we're going to remove the addition by doing the inverse, which is subtracting 2, and doing it from both sides. Remember, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. When I have 2 minus 2, that's going to cancel out, and I'll be left with 4y, and that's equal to negative 6 minus 2, which is negative 8. Don't forget to use your calculators to check some of those negative numbers. Now I have 4 times y, 4 multiplied by y. The inverse of that will be dividing by 4. Do that to both sides. And on the left-hand side, 4 over 4 will cancel out, leaving me with just y, and that's equal to negative 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, but 1 negative, 1 positive. My answer is y is equal to negative 2.